David, I have a garden outside. Yeah, I have a garden, and I grew that. I grew that for you. Right, Lenny? Lenny, I grew that. And you eat it or you take a break. That's fine. Hello, friends. It is Friday night. Jeff and I just went to Olympia. I finished my deadline today. Now I don't have to work till probably Tuesday. So that feels fantastic. So I'm gonna clean my house. And sorry that my water bottle keeps hitting my something. Jeans? I don't know. What was I gonna say? There's some upcoming animal on my path. That's exciting. What is it? It looks large. I bet it's a raccoon. Raccoons have just been taunting me every day. Anyways, Melinda and David are gonna be here on Tuesday night, and I cannot believe it. She is going to Yale, and they're driving across the country, and it's the first time anyone's coming and seeing where I live, so I look forward to that. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy this walk. I found that once again, working from home, I don't move my body, and yeah, I've been getting like 3,000 steps a day instead of 10,000. So gotta stay in shape. What? Help me. Goodbye. Good morning, Peoria. It is 9:25 a.m. I am headed to the bus to head down to the courthouse. And I made my Melania I Really Do Care jacket. And yeah, I'm not thrilled with the state of our country right now. I could not care less about 4th of July and stuff like that, because children in cages, right? It's great. Anyways, I gotta rush, but nobody deserves to be taken away from their family. Nobody. I can't imagine. So let's see what we can do, America. Goodbye.
Here today because I am sick and tired of having to justify my existence. Well, you guys are gonna have to come closer.
Hey Jeff, where are we?
Sitting in the car, in the driveway.
Oh, we're not in a car wash?
In a terrible storm. No, not exactly.
I don't want to go inside because I don't want to get wet. We just went to Vokes Fest with Jeannie and Greg. It was fun. I am starving. I want to go inside, but I will be soaked in 2 seconds, so no. Guess what?
What?
I love you.